Welcome to another unboxing video. This is Charess, and today we will be unboxing the SilverStone RL07. Before we start, let's check out the box. Here we can see the model, a list of features, and a QR code for you to download the manual. Next, it has the introduction and the specification of the case. Next, it shows the main features of the case, which we are going to check later. And lastly, the list of the specification or the features in different languages and what color of the case we have. Let's start. The RL07 has a one-of-a-kind asymmetrical front panel design, which is very attractive and it looks amazing. At the top, we can find the audio jacks, 4 USB ports, and the power button. Now let's check the side panel. Oops. The RL07 comes with a full tempered glass side panel. It has a clean internal look because of the PSU and the drive bay cover. It also comes with 140mm fan and 2 grommet holes for better cable management. The I/O shield and the 7 expansion slots. It comes with a removable dust filter for the power supply. For a better cable management, it has a smart backside cable routing design. At the back, it comes with 3 2.5 and 3 3.5 drive bays. And here are the screws and the manual. It also comes with a removable front dust filter. It's magnetic. Very nice. The front panel of the RL07 has an integrated LED lighting. The white version comes with blue light and the black version comes with red light. Cebu Appliance Center already had a couple of amazing builds with the RL07 chassis. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! This unboxing is brought to you by Cebu Appliance Center and SilverStone Designing Inspiration.